When your patients often complain about sneezing, congestion, runny nose, an itchy nose, or even persistent nosebleeds, many of these common symptoms are typically associated with allergies. Their root cause may actually be nasal dryness, which has the same symptoms. It may surprise you that what appears to be a runny nose can actually be the body's natural response to severe nasal dryness, attempting to moisturize the nasal passages through excess mucus production. When the vital nasal passages become dry, the cilia cannot function properly. This impairment leads to a local collection of nasal debris, and the ciliary layer no longer functions, manifesting as those familiar symptoms. Our noses possess sophisticated natural defenses. The pH of the nose is naturally slightly acidic, around 6.2, which is crucial for minimizing sinus infections. This specific pH is also optimal for the effectiveness of many nasal steroid sprays. Unfortunately, many over-the-counter nasal rinse products are formulated with a higher pH, which can inadvertently negate the body's natural defense mechanisms and potentially lessen the efficacy of steroid treatments. Furthermore, at a cellular level, cells naturally control moisture through a critical process called the sodium-potassium pump. As the name implies, this pump requires both sodium and potassium to work efficiently and regulate moisture naturally. Products that only contain sodium chloride, common in many saline sprays, may be less effective in supporting this essential bodily function.
To truly alleviate the symptoms of nasal dryness, the key lies in restoring and maintaining a protective fluid layer within the nasal passages. The ideal solution should cover as much of the nasal mucosa as possible with wetting agents that spread evenly across the lining, providing a long-lasting relief that locks in hydration rather than evaporating quickly. It needs to be safe for patients of all ages, gentle enough for children, yet effective for adults. Maintaining a slightly acidic pH that won't upset the natural balance of the healthy nose, won't sting, and won't interfere with the effectiveness of other products. Your nose requires a protective barrier against outside allergens and debris, while also sealing in moisture to prevent dryness. This product should be drug-free, allowing patients to use it as often as needed without fear of rebound congestion or dependency. And by addressing each of these needs, we can ensure both comfort and healthy nasal function. Understanding the true underlying causes of nasal dryness is the first step towards offering effective relief.